Cobb County 911, case for emergency.
911. My mom just had the baby at the house, and she needs somebody to come.
Ma'am, what is your address? Okay, I found you. What's going on there?
My mom already just had the baby.
Your mom just had a baby?
Yes, at home, and it just when she woke up, it just came out.
Okay, is this a house or an apartment? We have help on the way, okay?
House.
It's a house? Okay.
This sound like hurry up, please, because she doesn't know what to do. Hello?
I'm here. We're getting help on the way, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
Is the baby... Where is the baby now?
In the bedroom with my mom.
Is the baby crying?
No.
The baby's not crying?
No. Just laying down with mom.
Okay, they're on their way, okay? Is there anybody else in the house with you and your mom?
Okay. Huh?
Is there anyone else in the house with you and your mom?
My cousin, that's it.
How old is your cousin?
He's younger than me. He's 10 years old, and I'm 11. I'm in middle school, and my dad had to leave to go to work. Did you hear me?
I'm here. They're on their way, okay? Can you get in the room with your mom?
Yes. My mom said she's gonna give you I'm gonna give you the phone. Hello, sir. Hello.
Hello, ma'am. Tell me exactly what's going on, okay?
My baby just came out of me. I mean, he's okay. He was crying and everything, but
is he breathing, ma'am?
Yes, he's breathing.
Okay, ma'am. He was crying?
Yes. He's laying on me. He's still breathing, though.
Okay, ma'am. They're on their way, okay? So you just stay in the line with me, okay?
Yes, sir. Oh,
Okay, ma'am. Is he awake? Is he looking around?
yes, he's awake. He's moving. Yes. I should just keep him warm, right?
Yes, ma'am. Just stay on the line with me. They're on their way.
Oh, my God.
Baby still breathing, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Okay, ma'am, are you still bleeding?
Yes. Babe, I had the baby. I had the baby at home on the bed.
Ma'am, how old are you?
I'm 30 years old, sir. I talked to the police officer. Hello, sir.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay. They're on their way, okay?
Okay.
Ma'am, how far along were you?
I was 37 weeks. Yes, baby.
Okay,
yes.
ma'am, were there any complications?
Baby, I don't know if he can hear you or not. Yes, I can hear him, but
Okay, Okay, ma'am. So the paramedics can help you now. Stay in the line and tell you exactly what to do next, okay?
Okay.
Is the baby crying or breathing?
He's breathing.
Okay. I want you to gently wipe off the baby's mouth and nose and dry the baby off with a clean towel and then wrap him in a clean, dry towel, okay?
Okay. I need a towel. Give me a towel.
Get 2 towels.
2 towels.
Alright, have you gotten the towels?
Yes.
Okay, I want you to clean off the baby's mouth and nose and dry him off with the towel, okay?
Okay.
Alright, and then wrap him up in the other towel.
Okay. It's wrapped. Oh my God.
Okay, ma'am. Without pulling the cord tight, ma'am, listen to me. Without pulling the cord tight, I want you to turn on your left side and place the baby on the bed in front of you where you can watch the baby closely, okay?
Okay.
Alright, make sure the cord is not wrapped around the baby's neck.
It's not.
Okay.
They're here.
They're there? Okay, I'm going to let you go, ma'am.
Okay.
Goodbye, ma'am.